walk through, 340 Sedan. Your teak finished cockpit floor, high gloss table which converts into either a sunbed or a second sleeping area, large hopper windows and sliding door. As you enter the galley, you have twin sinks, electric cooktop, microwave, and on the other side you have your fridge with built-in freezer. This vessel is finished in high gloss walnut. The second interior table again folds out and slides down to convert for extra sleeping. Sliding side door next to the helm for docking. This vessel has the full Ray Marine navigation system with autopilot, powered by the John Deere bow and stern thrusters as well. This vessel has both generator and aircon, Fusion surround sound. Moving down into your cabin, nice large queen bed. You have your shower on one side and toilet on the other. Moving back up the boat, you can see even on a horrible day that you can use the entire vessel.